Good morning, how are you doing? I'm quite excited today. Why am I excited? Well, take a look. We are at a point where we are going to pop everything in here and take a look and see if it all works. Spoiler, it doesn't. A slight miscommunication between me and Hells and my failing memory as I get older. Standard size bath is 1.7 meters by 0.7 meters or 1700 by 700. And so I've been working along in that assumption in my head that it's a certain size for this whole time. And so we bought a vanity unit, like an old school thing that's going to go here, where the sink is going to go on and stuff like that. We've put it in there and it doesn't quite work here. But that doesn't necessarily mean that it's the end of the world, because we built this a certain width at 1820. So that bath is 1800. So we have the ability to take this bath and put it there, over there, and have the loo over here, as opposed to the loo being here and the vanity here and stuff like that. Anyway, this morning, for the next 20 minutes, I'm going to tidy everything up. I'm going to get the shower tray in and also the vanity unit. So all of the pieces will be in play. And then Helen should be here because she's dropping the boys off at school. And we are going to have a play and we're going to make a decision about which way we're going to put our stuff. So that's quite cool, isn't it? La, 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 la. Hello, love.
Hey, love. Hey, I've just driven Charlie to school and the car's making a funny noise some of the way, and then we just got to his school and we've got a flat tyre.
Right.
So I need to get Max to school. Could you come and get him and drop him at school?
Okay, sure. Right, okay. I just had to go and sort out a flat tyre for Helen, and she is dropping off Max and she should be with us. So yeah, let's get back to it. Go for the big boy.
Just can't be lost in when you're in a hurry.
Yes. Right, where's that tea? Sugar tea.
Be in the house. I'll have a look.
Hello, my love.
Hello.
Right, why are we here today?
We're here to look at the layout of the bathroom and see how it's going to work.
Should we show YouTube what's going down?
Yeah, it's exciting.
Right, YouTube, please excuse the light, but it's kind of dark in here without actual lights up there. Right, we have our shower tray here, the basin and everything here, the bath, and then the loo here. As I mentioned this morning in the intro, for some reason, well, I'll tell you why. We bought this bath over a year ago in a sale because I was like, right, just buy the stuff now. Things never go down in price, they only go up. So in my head, we just went for a standard bath, which is 1700 millimeters by 700 millimeters. But what we actually got, and Hells has reminded me that she was like, can we have a bigger one? And I was like, yeah, sure. What we've actually got is 1800 by 800. So it has created a bit of a pinch point. Do you want to walk through there, love, and show everybody?
Here it is.
So yeah, it's a kind of thing. It's kind of okay, but I don't know. What do you think?
I think it's not perfect, but we're not going to be here forever. And so we can probably manage with it like this.
However, there is another way. Let us show you. Right then, folks. So this is layout number 2. And yeah, it's kind of crazy. This is the one that I originally thought about when we first thought about converting this to having the bath up that end and stuff. But I'll be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of boxing in soil pipes, which are the pipes that come out of the back of the loo. And so that's what I kind of changed it around for. However, as you can all see, it just works so much better. There's just loads more room here, isn't there?
Oh, no, it's like a different room like this. It's much better.
Yeah.
I think it'll be much more comfortable to use. I mean, either way, there's kind of something you've got to kind of get over.
Well, there's always a
think
compromise
exactly
to be had in life when you're doing something temporary.
Yeah, this is a better one, I think.
Mm-hmm. Well, there we go. Decision has been made. This is funny because I hadn't seen this layout until you came here, so I wasn't sure how it would look. But yeah, it just definitely works, doesn't it?
Definitely, it feels like a comfortable room to use rather than edging around the bath and bashing our knees.
Yes. My waistline's not getting smaller as I get older. I don't know why. Anyway, right, I'm going to get on and do something. Halsey, are you off again, or where are you going today? What are you up to?
Off ski. I've got to go and do some work in the office. Charlie is off on a ski trip with school, so I have to get all his gear together. So yeah, those kind of jobs for me.
A 3 a.m. drop off for Charlie on Saturday.
Ooh, who's doing it? Toss a coin.
Paper, scissors, stone. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes!
Best of 3!
Yes!
Best of 3!
No! Right, let's get on with it. Comment ça va? Hello, you. All between the legs.
How are you?
How are you?
Very well, lovely to see you. This is going well, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it's a relative
Well,
term.
look at us with a bathroom.
Yes, we're just,
How do you get out of the way?
just
Sit. Just sit.
been
Sit.
looking at how it all works. So you can have a look as well. There you go.
Sit. Stay.
Good boy. Hard,
Like this
isn't it?
sink, isn't it lovely?
Yeah. So we just this morning played with layout a little bit.
Look at that view.
Yeah, it's all right, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Yeah. The neighbour's tarpaulins.
This is so wonderful, isn't it? Isn't this great? Right, good boy. Just gently. Come on then. Just calmly. Calmly.
Hello,
This is very exciting, but we need to just calm it a little bit, don't we, Paddy?
How do you do
It's
it?
very exciting. Yes. Wow, whose room is this?
A spare bedroom, I guess. And
Where Mark and I come to stay.
yeah. Right, I've got to go home. Yeah, there's another issue with the car, but there we go. Things come in threes, so hopefully just 2 today. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe, and hype as always. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.